Respected teachers, judges, and all my dear friends, a very warm good morning to one and all present here. Myself, Ujjwal Siddheshwar Bhakre, preparing for NDA exam in Rashtramatha Jijao Defense Academy, Chinchwad, Pune. Today we are gathered here to celebrate 18th Independence Day. Today I would like to share my thought on the topic of the role of freedom fighters in India's independence. जब दुनिया सो रही थी ठीक आधी रात भारत जीवन और स्वातंत्र के लिए जाग उठा. जब दुनिया सो रही थी ठीक आधी रात भारत जीवन और स्वातंत्र के लिए जाग उठा. This historical word was spoken by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on the midnight of 15 August 1947. They remind us that India's freedom was achieved through sacrifice, courage of countless freedom fighters. India remained under British rule for nearby 200 years. During this long period, the people of India faced injustice, exploitation, and oppression. Many brave sons and daughters of the India refused slavery. They saved their families, their loves, their happiness, so that we could live in free and united India. The many freedom fighters of the India belongs to different region, religion, and communities, but they have only one common dream: a free and united nation. One of the great freedom fighter was Mahatma Gandhi. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He believed on truth and non-violence. His movements such as non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, he united many of Indians to donate themselves to the India and fight against British rule. One of the great hero was Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He believed that India's freedom must be achieved through sacrifice of countless freedom fighters. He formed Indian National Army and gave inspiring slogan: "तुम हमें खून दो, हम तुम्हें आजादी देंगे. तुम हमें खून दो, हम तुम्हें आजादी देंगे." This bravely motivated countless freedom fighters to donate themselves to the nation. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो झांसी वाली रानी थी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो झांसी वाली रानी थी. Rani Lakshmibai fought bravely against British rule in revolt of 1857. She became a symbol of courage and women empowerment. Many freedom fighters spent years in struggle, and many of them sacrificed their life without expecting any reward. They have only one common wish: a free India. Finally, on 15 August 1947, our India became an independent nation. Our freedom was not a gift, it was achieved by countless freedom fighters. Dear friend, today we enjoy freedom because of this great hero. We can remember their name not only by remembering their name, but also by becoming a responsible citizen. We want to respect our constitution, work honestly, and make stronger India. At last, let us promise to make India more than stronger by work honestly with discipline and patriotism. At last, I will end my few words by taking this slogan: सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुले इसकी, ये कुलसिता हमारा, ये कुलसिता हमारा. जय हिंद, जय भारत.